Up for sale, I have a 1975 Camaro finished in blue with white and black interior, factory original colors to the car. I'm going to walk around and tell you about the car, fire it up, and drive it. So if you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more. Thank you. So, like I said, 75 Camaro finished in its factory correct blue with the white and black interior. It's believed to be its original interior. It's a newer one repaint of the blue. Factory correct wheels, new dual exhaust. I got paperwork from 79, this is 75, till recent, some receipts throughout. I think it's 4 owners, and it was, the first 3 were family owned. Now the original owner sold it to some people in the family, he bought it back, so he's not only the first, but the 3rd owner. And there's a letter from him to the 4th owner, you know, telling about the car and the history of the car. Kind of cool. I'll have pictures of that on the ad. I also have the window sticker for this, seeing the options. I believe it's 12 options. So we're going to hop right into it. Definitely the original chrome bumper. You see a little bit of that smokiness on there, but nice condition nonetheless. It is 56,000 original miles, so the car is low miles, and I do have a picture of it before it was repainted. So it was just faded to begin with. It's not like it was rusty and crap like that. It was nice to begin with. Everything works. It has factory AC, power steering, power front disc brakes, bucket seats with the console, but I think they all came with that. Brand new wheels. It is new dual exhaust, I did say that. It's a driver quality repaint. So there's a couple little guys in the paint. A little mark, and a couple more little marks right there. I'm going to open the hood though. Let me put my camera down. There we go. And here's the engine compartment. I love it because it's all factory correct. I've been doing a lot of research on these cars, and I see a lot of modified, molested motors. This is correct compartment. This is always what I look for. Even with Corvettes, I love the factory original compartment. You see the factory AC, the brake booster, the steering pumps down there. Nice underhood too. So, looks to be newer wires actually. So we'll keep going. A couple more little marks. A wet sand and a wax would do this car wonders. 2 more little marks, and it looks like a little ding right there. A few more marks right there. The underneath of the car is actually nicely detailed. I think the 4th owner did that, and it was nice. He brushed it on with one of the brushes. I didn't know that people do that well or that often. So underneath is real nice. And a new dual exhaust too. All the doors and the gaps fit nice. There's another little ding down there. And all the glass is excellent. Definitely the original windshield, but unfortunately must have got a stone chip and there's a little crack there. And another thing common with these cars, just like the 78 Trans Am that I have, doors seem to sag, but this one does not. Fit like a glove. A couple more little marks in the paint. Like I said, it is a driver quality paint. It's definitely a 1 repaint for the car. Like I said, I have the paint before it was painted. Body's relatively straight due to it being its original sheet metal. And the only thing not factory is they put this fin on, but not bad. I know it gives it a good look. A couple more little marks. Top of the car is nice. There's another little ding right there. It's interesting how that happened. Windows go up and down as they should. Some old stickers in here from over time. You got the original one and Yeah. Oil sticker, another oil change. And the interior, like I said, though, is in very nice condition. It's more than likely it's original all around, being the low miles. Both seats and the rear seat are in excellent condition. You think the white would get real bad over time, but not really. There's no rips. I know I just mentioned that. Carpet's nice. Probably original too. I don't know for sure. But the dash is beautiful. The wood grain. Nice horn. The correct steering wheel. He's got an upgraded radio in there. It sounds nice. But all the gauges work. And whoever gets it's going to get at least over half a tank of gas. The dash pad is I mean, it looks beautiful, but it's peeling up here, and the guy put a couple little rivets in it to keep it down. I don't like that he did that, but at least it's not cracking and peeling. It's solid. It's not like crunching and crumpling up like the cheap dash pads tend to do. Headliner is excellent. Dome light works, as you see. I love the trunk. There's no rust in the trunk. I think there's like a little area, just a little, looks like a little water got in, but that's nothing. Original spatter paint, spare, jack, tire iron, matte. So nice to see everything going with the car. Rear bumper matches the front bumper, probably original, more than likely. A little bit of that fogginess to it, same goes for down there, and there's that new exhaust that you see. A few little marks on this, a little black spot. And then various right in the circle. Couple more marks right there. Two more right there. They're new leaf springs. One of them still has the tag on it. Window moldings, door moldings, nice condition. Might have been replaced at the time of the repaint. But there's no dings on it. So that's nice to see. Let me make sure. No. Nice door, nice moldings in general. It is its number matching 350. I kind of forgot that. And turbo 350 transmission. Power steering, power brakes with front disc. Is it rear disc? No. Door panel matches the front, as well as the rest of the interior. There's not too much to show. So it will be up for sale later today on eBay and my website, nextgenclassiccars.com. Both links will be in the description of the video. You can go on and check it out. If you have any interest, let us know. We'll get back to you as soon as we can. So thanks for watching. And if you're from eBay, clicking on it, hope you enjoyed the car. If you have any interest, let me know. And if you are here from YouTube, thanks for watching. few more of those little dimples right there. Those little marks in the paint. Definitely a driver quality repaint. But like I said, I do have the picture of it, so it's nice to see that it was just faded paint to begin with. So we'll fire it up now and then we'll drive it. So thanks for watching. And here we go. All right, here we go. The number matching 350. See the factory AC, power steering pumps down there, power brake booster. And there's the trim tag. I know I just mentioned it before. So we'll fire it up now. He forgot to turn, he's on his phone.